Hello everyone, welcome to our kitchen. We are making steamed egg custard with clams today, a simple dish that kids will love. We are using little neck clams. First, we're going to clean the shell of the clams. Then boil some water to blanch the clams. Let the clams cook till they are all open. Remove from the hot water and shock them with some cold water. Don't throw away the water we used to boil the clam. Let it cool down and we can use it later. We're using 2 eggs and 6 little necks today. Crack the eggs and beat them up well. Add about 150 milliliters of cooled down soup we used to boil the clam and a pinch of salt. Mix everything well. Pour the mixture into a bowl. Avoid putting the bubbles from the mixing into the bowl, as we would like to see a smooth surface finish on the custard. Lastly, put the clams into the bowl. Boil some hot water and put the bowl in for steaming. Cover the top of the bowl with a plate or aluminum foil to keep the steam water out. Steam on high heat for about 10 to 12 minutes. Check the custard with a chopstick and the surface should be firm and bouncy. Hope you like this simple dish to make. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for our new creations each week. See you next time.